I'm Reid, co-CEO of Ochre. In this video, we'll discuss how leaders can use the new resources within a school. These resources are designed to be fully flexible, adaptable, and geared towards empowering teachers and students. Some schools may decide to use these resources in their entirety, or choose parts based on what students need. The resources are all aligned to the new Victorian Curriculum 2.0, Australian Curriculum version 9, and New South Wales syllabus. They are coherent and sequenced across units and year levels. First, let's talk about how to integrate these resources into your teaching and learning program. Step 1, familiarisation. Gather your teams of teachers for a workshop where they can explore the resources, understand the content, and brainstorm the myriad ways to incorporate them into their classes. You can start by reviewing the curriculum maps and analysing where they align to your existing scope and sequence. You don't have to do everything at once. Step 2, customisation. Remember, these resources are adaptable. Encourage teachers to tailor them to their students' unique needs, their teaching style, and the school's overall learning objectives. Step 3, trial and feedback. Implement the resources in a few lessons initially, gather feedback, and make adjustments as necessary. Step 4, full integration. Once everyone is comfortable and the resources have been customised for your needs, integrate them fully into your teaching and learning program. The integration of new resources is a team effort. It's crucial to foster a collaborative environment. Here are a few tips on how to ensure successful collaboration. Tip 1, create collaborative spaces. Whether physical or virtual, these spaces will provide teachers a platform to share their experiences, challenges, and successes with the new resources. Tip 2, foster open dialogue. Encourage regular discussions about the use of the resources. When teachers share their insights, it allows for the sharing of best practices and cultivates a culture of continuous learning. Tip 3, regular professional learning. Arrange for ongoing professional learning sessions where teachers can gain further insights into the resource's potential. Tip 4, celebrate success. Make a point to highlight and celebrate the positive outcomes of using the new resources, such as reduced teacher workload and improved student learning. This not only motivates your teachers, but also shows them the potential of what can be achieved. Remember, the introduction of new curriculum resources is not just about adding more materials into the mix. It's about enhancing the teaching and learning experiences in your school. These resources are your tools, designed to be flexible and adaptable to your needs. So explore, collaborate, adapt, and create a teaching and learning environment that benefits everyone.